Champ Barbecuers. Today we are doing a tri-tip that I found in upstate New York. First time ever. The meat stores are running low on meat and I run into that. Wow, that's awesome. Using the Weber kettle with the slow and sear today in Royal Oak lump. Best stuff ever, boy. And we are going to season this up with Cosmos Q, cow cover, Texas beef, and maybe a little extra black pepper. And we're going to reverse sear this guy. So let's get cooking. So we're going to go on with Cosmos Texas beef. Oh, hell yeah. And then some cow cover. Extra black pepper. We're using some Shire sauce as a binder. I usually don't use a binder, but after doing the first side, you got it. There we go. We're going to cook that tri-tip on the Weber at 250, 275 in between until we hit about 125 degrees. We're going to sear the heck out of it, pull it, let it rest, cut into that sucker. It's going to be delicious. Oh, hell yeah, you know it. Pop the top. Cheers. All right, tri-tip hit about 135, a little over than what I was looking to do. I wanted to hit 125, but hey, things happen. Pull it off, get it covered up, and let it rest for a good, 20 minutes or so. These carrots, roasted them up real quick, put them back in the pan, pull them in direct. Oh, hell yeah. Just let them soften up, and oh, hell yeah. While you're waiting, cheers. All right, folks, tri-tip cooks fairly quick. We've had it resting for a half an hour. We're gonna pull this out, put it on the cutting board, and chop it up and see what we got going on. Smells delicious. Oh, hell yeah. So you wanna cut against the grain. Boy, it's all going this way. All that way. Right about. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, brother. Is rocking. Oh, hell yeah. Let's taste this tri-tip. Oh. Hell yes. I mean, check it out. I thought I overcooked it. Maybe those meat probes are bad too. Let's get a taste test. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. That is bomb, baby. Oh, damn. Damn. That is amazing. Oh, hell yeah. Go get yourself some if you can. Tri-tip is very rare upstate New York. And the situation that we're all in right now, I hope you guys have plenty of food to go cook and have a good time with your family. Stock up on good things like beer. And plenty of food. And we'll get through this. This was a dynamite cook. Oh, hell yeah. It's about mid-30s. March. Snow is gone. Spring is here. And whatever virus is coming, don't worry about it. We'll get through. Man, that tri-tip, amazing. Guys, things may look grim right now, but things will get better. Let's all band together and have a damn good time, support one another, and well, let's not go crazy at the grocery stores. Let's not beat each other up. And subscribe if it's your first time here. Hit the thumbs up and smash that dinner bell because that's what time it is.
Oh,